and welcome to this video on adverb comparisons. We will go over a very important and common correlative conjunction, the use of as, blank, as, to create equal comparisons. Though there may be some intimidating technical terminology involved, the concept itself is relatively simple. First, let's remember what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are words used as connectors between words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. We can use the acronym FANBOYS to remember all of the coordinating conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Here's an example of a sentence that uses a conjunction. The man was tired because he did not sleep last night. In this case, the conjunction because is used to connect two independent clauses. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. As I mentioned before, the as blank as construction is a type of correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions differ from other conjunctions because they require two separate words or sets of words in the same sentence. There are several common examples of correlative conjunctions beyond as blank as, such as either or, both and, as many as. Take, for example, I will either go to sleep or watch a movie. Either and or in this sentence combine to create a correlative conjunction. Now, for a quick refresher on adjectives and adverbs. In short, adjectives modify nouns. Adverbs modify verbs. We won't do a deep dive on the various kinds of adjectives and adverbs here. Instead, just remember they modify, or in simpler terms, they describe the noun or verb in terms of its quality. An adverb: I walked slowly. Slowly modifies the verb walked. It describes how I walked. An adjective: the light was bright. Bright modifies the noun light. It describes the quality of the light. Now that we know what makes up a correlative conjunction and how adjectives and adverbs are used, let's look at the use of adjectives and adverbs in equal comparisons. The man is as handsome as a movie star. The adjective handsome and the correlative conjunction as blank as creates an equal comparison between the man and a movie star. The room was as quiet as a library. Here, the adjective quiet, along with as blank as, creates an equal comparison between the room and the library. He runs as fast as his dog. The adverb fast modifies the verb runs. It is an equal comparison because he and dog are running at an equal speed. The boy sat as quietly as a monk. The adverb quietly modifies the verb sat. It is an equal comparison because the boy and the monk are sitting in an equally quiet fashion. Okay, now that we've covered everything, let's look at a quick review question. The use of as blank as to create equal comparisons between adverbs and adjectives is an example of which? A, a coordinating conjunction. B, a correlative conjunction. C, a corresponding conjunction. D, a subordinating conjunction. The correct answer is B, correlative conjunction. Thanks for watching and happy studying.